Hello friends, in this lesson we will learn how to use in operator in Python programming to check if a character or substring exists in a string. So let's use it. In operator is used to check whether a character or word appears inside another string. What's the name of the variable is name. For example, I want to check M is inside name. So for checking this, I'm using in keyword and then I use my variable name. I can use directly John string also. Okay, let's check it. You see false. M is not in the John, in the name. But if I change it, for example, N, I check right now, you see N is in John. So in this way, I'm checking the membership. So this is simple and practical way to perform membership checks in Python programming. Super. See you in the next lesson.